Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to fix the product not showing on the homepage in Shopify. So here I am in my Shopify homepage, and let's go to our website. So just click online store, and then from here click edit theme. So if you want to put your product right here on the first page, what you need to do is that you need to add it as a featured product. For example, if I will delete this section right here, what you need to do is that you need to go here, then click add section, and then this one is added to the header. So let's see right here, we should add a section right here to the template. And then it's either you can choose a featured collection so that you can display your product like this, or you can just add a featured product. So it depends on your preference. So this one, I will try the featured product. So now we have this section, and then from here, what you need to do is that you need to add the product right here. So just click on the featured product section and then choose the product from here. So just click this one, the product right here on the sidebar, click select, and then choose the product that you want to display. So for example, I want to display this one, the athletic running shorts. So I can just select it, and then it will be automatically added right here to my website. And then I'll just save this. And then I will show you how to fix this featured product if it is not showing in your Shopify. So right now it is showing in my Shopify because I have it as active in my products. So for example, if I click exit, click view your store, we have our product right here on our home page. But for example, if you have changed the settings of your product, this will not be displayed right here. So if you go right here, go to products, and then choose the product that we displayed, which is the athletic running shorts. Is this one. So the status needs to be active so that it will show up right here in your home page. Another option is that you can also choose unlisted and it will still be displayed on your home page. But if you choose this one, the draft status, so this will not be visible in our home page. So for example, if I change this to draft, click save, and then go back to the website and then reload. Let's try reloading again. So it will show up like this. So if you have your product set to draft status, so this will happen to your homepage. So the product will not show up right here. So that's why it is important. It's either you can choose the active status or the unlisted status. So the only difference by having the product unlisted is that it will not be directly accessible to your website. So what you need to have is that you need to have the link for this product right here. So this could be useful if you are selling like a limited edition product that can only be opened by using the specific link from your social media post. For example, if I save this, I have the status as unlisted. So the product should reappear again on our homepage. And then as you can see, the product is now displayed right here again. And then if I choose active, so it will just remain the same. So that's basically it. So you just need to make sure that the status is set to active or unlisted. So don't choose the draft status, since that will make the product disappear from your homepage. And then that is basically it. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.